channel. So today I want to sign up on a platform called Lamenax.com, as seen on Thread. Someone posted this on Thread that Elon Musk is asking us to go to Lamenax.com to um, create an account. And one thing here is that he said new crypto exchange based on Web3 technology, Binance is no longer needed. To celebrate the opening, I'm giving away 0.33 bitcoins. Already now, this offer will only few days. Okay, so let's see if this is true. So let's rush now to Lamenax. So this is Lamenax. This is what Lamenax looks like: faster, better, stronger than your average crypto exchange. Experience the feature of trading a cryptocurrency exchange that prioritizes user trust and accessibility, and supporting outstanding investors from Silicon Valley, Wall Street, and London, Tesla, SpaceX, and Morgan Stanley, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is Lamena. But before we continue on Lamena, let's go back to x.com and see if truly Elon Musk posted that post we saw on Thread. So, okay, so here, I know all this. Please, let me just go to, where is Elon Musk? Elon Musk, where are you? Elon Musk, Elon Musk. All right, so Elon Musk, here is Elon Musk. Now, it say if you are registered, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's just see if we are going to be seeing this Lamena X or something like that. Let's see. I don't think there's anything like that from Elon Musk, but let's still keep checking. Okay. There is nothing like this from Elon Musk. Okay, what's this saying? Okay. All right. So, maybe it's an old post or something. I can't find anything here like Lamena. Let's look at trending. Nothing on Lamenax. So let's search for Lamenax. Okay. Let's look at Lamenax launch and at Elon Musk gifted. This is about 10 hours ago. Let me see. All right. So that is it. No post here from Elon Musk on Lamenax or something like that. Maybe we didn't search very well. Let's go back to Elon Musk. Let's look at the replies. Let's look at the highlights. Okay. All right. So we are not able to get that properly. So let's just go back to Lamena and see how to register or something like that. Okay. So nothing on that. Okay, so after this, I will just try and look out for it. If I'm able to get it, I'm going to let you guys know. But in the meantime, let's go to Lamenax. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Lamenax. Okay. So we are back here. Now, what we're going to do, let's create an account. So this is what is required to create an account. All right, so I've created an account. We go back to home. This is home. Okay, let's go to assets. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's go to withdraw. This is what it looks like. Let's go to buy, spot, support. So this website really looks simple, as in the simplicity is making me to doubt the authenticity. It's just too simple. It's just too simple. Unlike Binance, it's just too simple. So let me know what you think, guys, about Lamenax. Uh, okay, Lamenax. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me just call it Lamenax. If that is how it sounds, please bear with me. All right, Lamenax. Lamenax. So this is what Lamenax is all about. So this is just to see what this exchange is all about, and will this exchange really take over Binance? Let me know what you think, guys. So that's all about Lamenax. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to like, comment, and share this post. Also, if you have any comments in the comment description, I will be glad to respond to you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.